National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, LaSalle County in north central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Polo to Lomwale to near Henry to near Dunlap, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Pontiac, Peru, LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Marseilles, Sheridan, Shabbona, Lake Holiday, Oglesby, Seneca, Hinckley, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, North Utica, Serena, and Flanagan. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 96. Interstate 55 between mile markers 196 and 201. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 103. Interstate 88 between mile markers 71 and 74, in between mile markers 99 and 101. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Buffalo Rock State Park, Illini State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Mathewson State Park, Starved Rock State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Bureau County and further upstream in Iowa and western Illinois. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.